Ever wondered what Crochet Girl frocks are going to look like in years to come? You might be shocked by how much they've evolved. If you thought crochet was just about granny squares and simple scarves, think again. Crochet has come a long way, and it's not just about cozy blankets or cute home decor anymore. The world of Crochet Girl frocks is getting a complete makeover, and in 2025, the designs are bold, fresh, and more creative than ever. From unexpected color combinations to new techniques, crochet frocks are no longer just your grandma's style. They're statement pieces that can be worn for any occasion. Whether you're new to crocheting or you've been doing it for years, these fresh ideas are sure to inspire your next project. Today, we're going to explore the top Crochet Girl frock trends for 2025. So if you're looking to spice up your crochet wardrobe, stay tuned. Okay, let's talk about something every crocheter has faced. You've got the skills, you've got the yarn, but you just can't seem to find that perfect design. Maybe you've been going through endless pattern books or scrolling through Pinterest, but nothing really grabs your attention. Everything feels like the same old thing. Basic, boring designs that just don't speak to your creative side anymore. And let's face it, sometimes the crochet world can feel stuck in a loop with the same patterns recycled over and over. So what do you do when you're craving something new? Something that feels modern, fresh, and totally different? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today, the Crochet Girl frocks of 2025. These frocks are far from ordinary. They combine classic crochet techniques with fresh, innovative ideas that will keep you hooked, no pun intended, and inspired to create something truly unique. First up, let's talk about one of the biggest trends in crochet frocks for 2025, mixing textures. In the past, crochet designs tended to stick to one kind of texture throughout the garment, maybe some simple double crochet or a classic shell stitch. But in 2025, things are getting a little more experimental. Imagine a frock where the bodice is made with a delicate, airy lace pattern, and the skirt is worked in a thick, chunky yarn with a basket weave stitch. This contrast between soft, fine threads and thick, textured yarns creates a visually striking effect that's both beautiful and modern. Textures are being layered and combined in ways we haven't seen before, and it's all about adding depth and interest to the design. One frock might feature an elegant mix of smooth stitches and textured popcorn or puff stitches. Another might use a contrasting technique on the sleeves or the hem, creating a little surprise every time you look at it. By mixing different types of yarns and stitches, you can create a garment that not only looks amazing, but feels interesting to wear, too. Imagine feeling the contrast between a soft, lacy top and a chunky, textured skirt. Each part of the frock has its own personality, and it all comes together to form something beautiful. Next up is a trend that has been gaining popularity for a while, but is really coming into its own in 2025. Boho-chic crochet frocks. These frocks are perfect for anyone who loves that carefree, laid-back vibe, but still wants to look stylish. The boho look is all about flowy silhouettes, open stitches, and a sense of freedom. In crochet, that translates to frocks made with airy, open work patterns that allow for lots of movement. Picture a dress with a high-low hemline, lots of fringe around the edges, and delicate lace accents throughout. These designs feel light and breezy, perfect for spring and summer. What makes the boho-chic crochet frock so great is its versatility. It's casual enough to wear on a beach vacation, but can also be dressed up with some cute accessories for a lunch date or a day out with friends. The loose, flowing design is flattering on all body types and makes for a comfortable fit while still looking chic and trendy. You'll also see some boho designs featuring earthy tones, think soft beige, terracotta, sage green, and warm browns. But for those who like to make a statement, these frocks also look incredible in bold, contrasting colors. It's all about that relaxed yet polished feel that make boho-chic crochet frocks so popular. Now, if you think crochet is all about soft pastels and muted tones, think again. One of the biggest surprises in crochet frock design for 2025 is the bold use of color. While pastel colors are still a classic choice for crochet designs, we're seeing a major shift toward much bolder, more vibrant hues. Imagine a frock in a rich emerald green or a deep electric purple. You'll also see frocks in striking oranges, pinks, and yellows that really stand out. These colors are being used in ways that make crochet designs pop, creating a fresh, modern look. But what's even more exciting is how these bold colors are paired together. We're no longer just sticking to monochrome designs. 2025 crochet frocks are about color blocking, where contrasting colors are used to create eye-catching patterns. You might see a frock with a bright yellow top and a deep purple skirt, or a playful combination of orange and turquoise. These combinations bring a sense of energy and fun to the designs, and they also let you play with your personal style in a way that wasn't as common before. Now here's the trend that I'm really excited about for 2025: customization. Crochet is known for being a flexible, personal craft, but in 2025, we're taking that flexibility to the next level. What does this mean for Crochet Girl frocks? It means that crochet designs are no longer just one size fits all. The trend now is all about personalization, creating frocks that can be customized with interchangeable elements or adjustable features. For example, you might have a basic frock design that allows you to choose the sleeve style. Do you want short sleeves for a warm May or long sleeves for cooler weather? Or maybe you want a detachable collar or fringe around the edges that you can add or remove depending on your mood or the occasion. Some frocks are even designed with modular components, like a removable skirt or a changeable bodice, so you can mix and match to create something completely unique to you. This trend is a game changer because it makes each frock feel like it's truly yours. Not only can you adjust the fit or style to suit your body, but you can also update it whenever you want, keeping it fresh and exciting. So now that we've covered the biggest trends, let's talk about how these new Crochet Girl frocks are changing the game. The crochet community is evolving from just following patterns to creating truly custom pieces that reflect individual style. And these trends, mixing textures, embracing bold colors, going boho chic, and incorporating personalization,